Respected principal, dear teachers, and my lovely friends. Good morning to everyone. Today, I feel honored to speak before you on the joyful occasion of Christmas. Christmas is celebrated every year on 25th December to mark the birth of Jesus Christ, who taught the world the values of love, peace, forgiveness, and humanity. His life reminds us that even small act of kindness can make a big difference. On these special days, people decorate their homes with lights, Christmas trees, and stars. Churches are beautifully decorated and specially prayers are offered for peace and happiness in the world. Children eagerly wait for Santa Claus, who symbolizes love, joy, and the spirit of giving. Christmas is not only about celebrations, gifts, and cakes. It is about spreading happiness, caring for others, and helping those in need. It teaches us to forgive others, respect everyone, and live together in harmony. In today's busy and stressful world, the message of Christmas is more important than ever. It reminds us to replace hatred with love, anger with forgiveness, and selfishness with kindness. As a student, we should learn from this festival to be honest, helpful, and compassionate. The celebration of Christmas lies in sharing joy, bringing smiles to others' faces, and making the world a better place. On this cheerful occasion, let us promise to follow the path of love and humanity shown by Jesus Christ. I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you.